To connect to your Matoha instrument, please open our app and press Connect to your instrument. This will open a new page with a list of instructions. Step 1. Turn on the instrument. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone. The app might ask for Bluetooth and location permissions. You must grant both, otherwise it will not work. The reason why we need a location permission is because the phone manufacturers won't let us scan for Bluetooth devices without the location permissions. We do not track, save or otherwise use your location. Step 3. Press Scan for instruments. Step 4. Click on the drop-down arrow. You will see a list of any machines which are turned on and within your device's Bluetooth range. Select your device's serial number, which can be found on the bottom of your device. Then press Connect. You may be asked to pair with your spectrometer by entering a pairing code into your device. You should be now connected to the device.